Hello, I'm Keith with Beckart. Just a real quick video. There is a right way and a wrong way to drive a staple. And Beckart staples are a right-hand slash cut. That means if you hold the staple flat, the cut is going to be on the right-hand side. If you flip that staple over, still on the right-hand side. There are some staples out there that are left-hand cut, but today's video, we're talking about Bekaert Bezinal staples. So when you drive this staple, you want that right-hand cut to be rotated 15 to 20 degrees to the right or clockwise. So you simply come around your wire, tilt it to the right, and drive that staple in. We never hard staple. We always leave room for that fence to move back and forth. So if you take a Beckart right-hand cut staple and you rotate that staple to the left, you're going to lose some holding strength because those ends are not going to open up. If you drive that staple completely straight up and down, you could actually crack your post. And if we were putting up 9, 10, up to 13 wires on this post and you drove everything straight in that same grain, it could actually split that post wide open. So we'll rotate this staple over to the left and show you how we lose holding strength. So first, we will pull the staple that we turned to the left. So as you can see, on the staple that we pulled, that we rotated to the left, the ends are almost perfectly straight. They never opened up. Or they possibly actually collapsed the wrong direction. So now, the staple that we turned properly, so as you can see, the properly driven staple that we turn to the right actually opens up and gets more holding strength. So for more tips and tricks on fencing, remember Beckart Fencing. Check us out on the website, fencing.beckart.com, Facebook, and on Instagram. Thanks for watching.